Can you keep a secret? I want to tell you something about affiliate marketing that perhaps you don't know. I know a lot of you think that it's kind of a scammy thing, but the truth is, I wouldn't have had to quit my job 4 years ago, or I wouldn't have gotten the chance to quit my job 4 years ago if it weren't for affiliate marketing. I had really a blessed year last year, but I want to tell you a little bit about me. And I want to tell you about a new blog site that I've posted. It's called Scott's Online Adventure. What I'm going to give all of you is a play-by-play into the world of affiliate marketing. I want to tell you how I started. I'm going to tell you my journey. I'm going to tell you where I failed and where I didn't. You see, in 2020, I had the notion that it's possible to make a full-time living online. I watched, took notes, and figured making a living online would be an easy endeavor. I would use the skills acquired from building a brick and mortar accounting and tax business. You can bet the adventure never stops. Neither does the skill group needed to succeed. When I first started, it seemed to be like a wild frontier, like the California gold rush. Everybody had their own idea about what worked and what didn't. I learned over time that there are certain basic skills that are evergreen. These basics we call strategies because they work with regular effort for long periods of time. I learned not to keep my eyes on the latest shiny object, and trust me, there are a lot of them. Every time you say that you work in the world of affiliate marketing or online marketing, every huckster on the planet wants to go after you and sell you their stuff. The problem is you don't stay looking at their stuff long enough to make it work, and some of their stuff doesn't work. So it is my goal to help you with the end in mind. I want you to follow my journey. The journey is not easy, but I guarantee you it's always worth it. And I will tell you, please, never, never, never quit. And also remember, there is no magic bullet. I emphatically welcome you to the journey. Guess what? I'm expecting you. Welcome aboard. And on my journey, you're going to see some things from Indiana Jones. I always loved the fedora that Harrison Ford wore in the movies. And you'll notice that my logo is called Scott's Online Adventure. You will see a kind of a cartoony type man that I got from Canva holding a torch, because I want to put the true light on affiliate marketing, and I want to teach all of you to do it the right way. Thanks so much for listening, but I want you to go to scottrulon.com and I want you to subscribe to my new newsletter. I will give everybody one newsletter a week unless I have some breaking information that I think is important that you learn. So let's get started. Don't waste any time. Thanks so much for tuning in.